2011 Buick Lucerne. I'm going to show you where the block heater plug location is, where you install a new block heater if your vehicle does not have one. So up under the vehicle, you'll remove this heat shield right here by two 10mm bolts and pull that out of your way. And then go get up in here and we'll see a 17mm hex right there. Right where my shadow's at. So we'll take a long setup like this with a couple extensions and slide it up in there. Get it locked on. And then we're just going to twist it out. It is very tight. Dripping coolant. So we've got the plug out. This is what it looks like. And we're going to be putting in a 3100109. Again, this is a 3.9 liter Buick. And while I got you here, I just want to remind you to please subscribe to my channel. It helps me provide you with more how-to instructional videos. And here's the new heater. It's going to thread in there in the same fashion that this one came out. And then you're just going to take the thermostat controlled cord, meaning this thermostat will not operate above usually freezing or even 0 degrees Fahrenheit. And you're going to run it out to the front of the vehicle somewhere. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.